tahong with lemongrass and with shrimp, mixed with shrimp.
Nag-uumbol ng paama. Ito yung nanay ko, nakamatamang Hello Kitty. Ayun, tinan mo. Oh, luluto mo. Oh.
Lemongrass with shrimp and
Lemongrass
tahong.
with ano? Ang ulam namin today. Our ulam for today is sisig and this. Yung nanay kong grillers.
Isunod mo yung ano, shrimp. Okay, go.
Mamaya yung shrimp.
Okay. With lemongrass. Ayan. Lemon daw po yan. So, nagtanim ako ng marami from my garden. Nakapat lang po yan. Ayan. The next, shrimp. Okay, next shrimp. Ito yung lemongrass. So, ang gusto lang ng senior, walang gisa-gisa. Shrimp must not be overcooked. So, tama na to. Baka pumunod yung hipon. Ayan na.
SUV pack with extra for coating.